Hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, I've settled down nicely in Malaysia. Today happens to be my 11th day. मेरी बैचलर लाइफ स्टार्ट हो चुकी है मलेशिया में. पहली बार आज किचन में कुछ खाना बनाने जा रहा हूँ. सोचा आप लोगों को दिखाता चलूँ. I do cook on and off, and there's a little bit of a compulsion because I was really tired of having food from outside. I got some grocery over, and I'm thinking of making something. Come along with me, and I will show you what is cooking in my kitchen. So then, got some potatoes, garlic, onion, ginger, some dal, basmati rice, tomatoes. We've got some chicken that is already marinated, and I've started to cook the basmati rice. ये अदरक, this is not the typical adrak ginger that you get in India. I may want to be a little selective. Almost looks like turmeric. So I'll just use a tiny portion of it. Let me just try this much out. Now comes the part जिससे हम सभी डरते हैं. Peeling onions and crying the hell out. Let's get to that. This is not the most graceful, but I think this will do for now. One more to go. Now let us see if the rice is kind of done. It's looking nice. Okay. थोड़ा और होने की ज़रूरत है, but it's almost like 80% done. Let's go with lid. Now it is time to put the tomatoes. I also happen to get this tikka masala, and I'm gonna add some of it to the chicken curry. Let it simmer for a while before adding some more water. Make it a little more soupy. Looks quite okay. And it's time to add a little water, and that is served for another 15 minutes. There we are. The chicken is cooking, and I think it's messed up the place a little. Cleaning is a big part of cooking. Let's tidy up the place that we have been using so far and make it spotless. Here we go. all clean. so happy. All of this is okay. What about the chicken? Let's quickly do a status check. Seems to be pretty okay, I would say. I don't know what it tastes like, but from the looks of it, the spices are nicely blended. It's a rich aromatic flavor. The colors look quite decent. Can't wait to taste it. Let's do the testing. Tastes pretty okay. This is okay. Five more minutes and we should be good to eat. This has honestly turned out much better than I thought it would. The ingredients are not quite the same. थोड़ा फर्क है. But I think overall I'm pretty happy with the effort that I put in. Now it has come out. The lunch is enjoyable. So let me quickly finish off the rest of my food. What is a good meal without laying your fingers?